Sneaker fair, baby. Anthony, what up? Let's go.
Custom kicks, I know you wanna stare. You asking where I got 'em in Sneaker Fair. Customized kicks, unlimited pairs. You know where I got 'em in Sneaker Fair. Sneaker Fair. Sneaker Fair.
Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's Anthony again with Sneaker Fair Kicks, and I just wanted to go over a quick tip more about color palettes. I know I'm in a couple Facebook groups and on IG. A lot of people ask, like, how do you come up with your color palettes? You know, like, how do you choose what color goes where? And what's the best way to come up with like a color scheme or a color palette? Well, that can depend on a lot of different things, mainly like a mastery of color theory and a mastery of just color moods and different tones and tints and shades. But there's a super easy way to go about doing it, and it's through an app. I don't know if it's on Android yet. I'm sorry, my Android users. You should get an iPhone anyway. I'm just joking. But definitely, you have an iPhone. It's on the App Store, and it's Adobe Capture. Now, Adobe Capture again is on you can use it on the phone, so you can use it on the go. And the example I'm going to show you today is using this Spider-Man Spider-Verse comic book cover. So I'm going to get right into the app. So when you go in the App Store, you can type Adobe Color Palette, or you can type Adobe Capture. That's right there, the one with the pink background. So immediately when you get into the app, it's going to start swirling like these circles around, and it's going to start randomly picking colors for you. Now, you tap it to freeze it, and that's your color choice. Then you can move it around again by tapping the screen again, and you can pick another color choice. So I'm just playing around with the options here, seeing what I can get. That was pretty good to me. And I'm just going to move on with this color choice. But then I could go with this one or that one if I want. So you get so many options you can choose from. So now here I'm gonna save it. So I just click the checkbox, and then it shows me the palette. Right here is the harmony, so you can see where they fit on the color wheel, how close they are. And then here is just showing you where it picked on the image. You move to the next screen, and then you can click save. Picture saved. And now I'm just going to show you a different way of doing it. So right here is the library of all your color themes that you pick. So you can see both of mine. Just a different way to look at it. You can compare and contrast them. So this way you can do it. You actually go into your camera roll and you pick a different, just a different photo. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick this picture of NFL superstar Jim Brown. And you can see automatically it picks some choices for me. Now, if those aren't good enough, you can just go you can go and touch any circle you want, move it around, just experiment a little bit and make that gray a little darker if I like. And I'm gonna try that one a little lighter. This I'm gonna change to a gray. Change this to a reddish orange color, like a little light though. Change it to gray. The same process. Click the check, then it shows you your swatches here. Just go ahead and save it. All right, fam. So that's it. That's Adobe Capture in a nutshell. So what you think? Personally, if I'm just stumped, like I can't come up with a color palette, I can't go through like my books and come up with inspiration or something like that for like a custom, for one, like when I'm working on customs, or even if I'm just working on like a drawing, I can't come up with like that nice color scheme that I need. I definitely use Adobe Capture. You can also use that to like decorate a room, an outfit. You know, you need to get fresh and you just can't come up with the proper colors. Adobe Capture definitely works. So that's it for me. I hope you found this video refreshing. I hope you got some good information out of it. As always, Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the other side. Peace.